Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about a very serious issue in India: overcrowded prisons and delayed justice. Uh, Recently, the Supreme Court gave a bail to some accused in the 2020 Delhi riot case, but two people did not get bail because the court felt their role was more serious. This decision may look normal, but it's show a bigger problems in our system. In India, 4 out of 5 prisons are undetri- under trials. That means they are not convicted, but they are still in jail. They are waiting for their trial to finish. Justice in India is very slow because of delays. Many innocent people spend years in prison without any final judgment. The Supreme Court itself has said that delay means deny of justice. According to the India Justice Report, India prisons are overcrowded by more than 20% capacity. Uh, Prisons are made for a certain numbers of people, but much more people are kept inside. This overcrowding has human cost. People lost their freedom, dignity, and mental peace. Many prisons spend more times in jail than the maximum punishment for the crime they are accused of. The constitution says every person is innocent until proven guilty. But inside prisons, these rules has almost no meaning. Another big problem is lack of rehabilitation. Most prisoners do not get a proper education, training, or skill development. Because of this, when they are come out, they struggle to live a normal life and often fall back into crime. On paper, everything look fine. Files more, move, hirings are listed, adjourn, adjournments happen, but for under trial prisoners, this is just a paperwork. Their life remains stuck inside prison walls. The Supreme Court has said many times that bail should not the rule and jail should not be exception. Police must clearly explain why an arrest is needed, and magistrates must check this carefully. Arrest should not be done just because the law allow it. There must be a strong and valid reason. The power to keep someone in jail for a long time needs serious thinking and responsibility. Just responsibility. Justice is not just about punishment. Justice is also about fairness, speed, and humanity. If prisons remains overcrowded and trials remains delay, then justice lost its real meaning. This is not just a legal issue. This is a human issue. Thank you for listen. and please share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you. Bye bye.